Beijing Polytechnic University. The northern area is inside the scenic tourism zones in Xuanyi and Chongping districts, comprising venues for equestrian and water sports as well as softball events. Beijing started building a central business district on its east side in 1993. A new blueprint formulated in 2000 clearly demarcated the extent of the CBD within an area of 4 square kilometers bounded by Dongdiajiao Road as the west corner, West Dawang Road in the east, Tonghui River in the south, and Chaoyang Road in the north. It emerges as the largest commercial center of the city. The CBD accommodates landmark projects such as the third phase of the International Trade Center complex, Beijing Fortune Center, Yintei Shimao Center, Jianwai Soho, the CCTV Tower, and BTV Tower. The Zhongguancun High-Tech Park is composed by the Haidian Park, Beijing Economic and Technological Development Area, and 5 other high-tech zones surrounding the city proper. Emphasizing software development, biological and medical engineering industries as their priorities, these areas also aim to stimulate growth of other sectors such as education, culture, sports, commerce, and real estate.